So I'm not going to kill the raspberries. We're just going to fertilize them with the new elderberry shoots we've put in. And I don't remove a row of land out of production. I just add something else that we might like more. And I have re-protected this space from the ducks. What looks like grass in here is actually garlic. And we are now going to fertilize the bed with chicken and duck manure. And but we had to cover everything first because the chickens would come in and just scratch everything up. Because we have big poplars here, we're going to have to add a lot of fertilizer in order to combat the hungry roots of the poplars. They don't actually shade this spot much, but again, their roots are quite voracious. We put wood mulch in the chicken coop to absorb the manure, but even with that, duck manure is not as easy to use as rabbit manure. It's just not as light and fluffy and easy. But it's what I've got, so it's what we're using. As you can see, the ducks keep all the weeds down very nicely, but once they have the weeds down, you need to remove them and put some mulch on. So if I were to leave this bare after the ducks have been in here, it would hard pack down, the water wouldn't go in as well, and we would start to get weeds. So this bedding that is from the ducks and the chickens goes on top of here to retain moisture, keep weeds down, and fertilize. Alright, so hopefully by fall we have some more trees that look like this. I planted this last spring and you see how big it is. This is the sambucol. And it was our favorite. This other one is fine too. It's just not as happy to be here, which is why I took that other one and moved it. I needed a little more space, a little more fertilizer, a little more safety from horrible chickens that dig everything up. So we'll let this one keep growing as it is. We'll see how that line does. If you're interested in the $100 greenhouse, the self-heating greenhouse, our nights are still in the teens at times, Fahrenheit. And everything in here is doing just fine. Currently we have peppers, tomatoes, dill, all sorts of herbs. So those plants are on my Etsy store. Make sure to go check it out.